Suncoast Remake Learning Days.
We are at Sarasota Technical College today for Suncoast Remake Learning Days pop-up party. It's a wonderful opportunity for parents and children to engage at dozens of tables with hands-on learning activities. And we're talking to our potential event hosts for Suncoast Remake Learning Days, which is coming up soon.
Easier for students to learn stuff when they're learning it with their parents, and it helps the parents understand where their kids, how their kids think sometimes.
See where my foot is? Isn't that crazy?
Oh, they're sparkly.
Go ahead. Yep, you can take your own test too. That's okay. You want to do it?
Whoa! Do you want this?
Oh my God! I know, I was thinking now that I'm a mom and I have one on the way, it's like so beautiful to see parents and kids coming together.
There's so many different activities and events across all the counties that are participating. So there's really something for everybody, but there's also lots of opportunities to explore something that you've never checked out before.
We want to make sure in every opportunity that we have to create, to allow that space to happen with our parents and our children. So important to have parents creating with children, and this event that's at the core of this event.
The boy had caught a star! A star of his very own!
I remember reading stories with my parents as a kid, and that really got me involved in sharing my stories with the community. And I think that when we share stories with each other, it shows everyone how human we all are. And it gives everyone that ability to feel their feelings.
And that's the best thing that you can do for a kid. If they express an interest in something, let them try. And then if they decide to stick with it, wonderful. They've really latched onto something. But then if they decide, okay, I want to move on to something else, that allows them to grow.
If they love it, help them any way you can, for sure.
So this past year, Suncoast Remake Learning Days was 10 days. We had 204 events across 4 counties. This year, we're expanding to 15 days, so we can't wait to see how many wonderful events will be put on in Sarasota, Manatee, DeSoto, and Charlotte counties.
Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Now that's cool.